Hi, I'm Sherry, and I am the creator of Event Architect Studio, and I want to welcome you here today for this short demo on how the system actually works and how it can be a wonderful benefit for you as you create any type of event. And today, I'm going to show you just a few ways that you can use this. When you first open it up, you will get a nice welcome. And there is a disclaimer here about AI. We want to remind you it is not human and it is a system to help you. It is just a tool. You are in charge, so there's no reason to be afraid of it. It's not going to do anything but benefit you in ways that I don't think you even maybe can even quite imagine yet. First off, you are going to choose the format that's right for you. So what type of event are you going to host? There's online virtual, so everything it happens online, Zoom, Hopin, AirMeet, Meetin, that kind of thing. You might choose a hybrid, part online, part in person, or a live where it could be a retreat, a conference. Maybe you're not sure. And you can click on that and the TRIN will help you to know what's trending, or you could go to the resource library. But for demonstration purposes, I chose the online virtual. The very first thing that's going to come up is the what. What are you having as an online event? And there's a number of choices here, whether it's a webinar, masterclass, conference, summit, and so forth. And so you pick the right one that you are going to be choosing. And then it will go from there. And I want to show you the steps of how it works. There are 5 stages that you will go through regardless of the type of the event that you have. The first one is you're going to be planning. And these are the steps that it's actually going to walk you through. So what is it? Who is it for? Let's say you don't really know who your audience is yet. It will help you clarify that. Your outcome. What's the why? Again, if you're a little bit unsure, it's going to help you figure that out as well. The date and the times that you have planned, platform and format, your budget. Oftentimes people kind of overlook the budget part, so it helps with that. The agenda model, you might have a kind of an agenda in mind, but it will help create a sample agenda for you if you're not real sure, and that can always be amended. Your contributors, registration funnel, pricing offers, success matrix, and again, we're back to this. So I went back, and the next part is to build the event kit. Well, what's included with that? This is where you're preparing all your assets, your tools, your playbooks, and so forth. Again, this is for a virtual event. If you were planning something online, or I'm sorry, in person, it would amend to that. But everything there for your speakers, moderators, the platform setup, funnel builder, the branding kit, your accessibility plan, policy pack, and your promotional calendar. Everything is there, and everything you can drill down and drill down and drill down. And then delivering your event. That's always a little bit of a scary, stressful day. And this system tries to do the very best it can to help you be well organized. Everything is planned out, and you have it. You've got the run of the show, an issue kit. As we all know, things unfortunately can maybe not go quite right, but this already gives you what to do so you're prepared in case things happen, as well as sponsor activation. Then to wrap up your event, it's closing out your event again with polish and impact. What it helps you focus on at this stage are your thank yous. It can help you write your thank yous. All of your surveys, it can help write your surveys. Financial reconciliation and the debriefing. What worked, what didn't. And then there's the echo, the post-event growth. And I like this because it helps you keep your events being able to be used long after your sessions are over, so you can use those as replays, sponsor renewal decks, case studies, relaunched plans, use them over and over again if you should choose to. And then we have our resource library, which is, I believe, fairly extensive. So there are tools, tutorial library, your checklist corner, coaching, which there's a lot of great information that helps coach you as you work through this process. rules, perspective, and responsibilities, legal and policy, accessibility and inclusion, risk and safety, data and CRM, resourcing and budget levels, sponsorship hub, volunteer hub, marketing and growth, your trend research, and your project mode. And in your tools, it drills down even farther. So there's funnels, your platform, CRM integration, automation tools, analytics and reporting. And you can copy and paste any one of these into your system and into your chat, and it will drill down to give you even more information. It also gives you ideas and suggestions of other things that it can help you do. There's our tutorials library. And so there's platform tutorials, funnel setup, agenda run of the show, budget and sponsorship, speaker and contribution or contributor prep. There's a lot of checklists. There's some for the speaker, for your tech, accessibility checklist, risk checklist, and then your roles and responsibilities. What I like about this is that it's not just the responsibility of the host or the attendee, but exactly what do they need and what's going to help them feel successful. And again, you can drill down over and over again to help you with that. And one thing that I did is just, if you didn't really know what you wanted to talk about, or you were trying to research things that you could talk about in or have at your event, additionally, this is the TRIN, and it's Trends, Research, Insights, and News, and it's going to help you give you some trends about different things and the implications of what you can do with them. Again, we're back to the main menu. So what are the key benefits of using this system? You think, you know what, I use a system, or I have my own system, or I use a number of different applications to pull all this together. Well, the nice thing, several nice things actually about this system, it gives you really clarity and step-by-step guidance. It breaks down every single event cycle, and if you haven't thought about it, it's going to probably think about it for you. So you don't have to guess. You know what the next step is. There's time-saving templates and checklists. There's all kinds of pre-built things for you. The one drawback with ChatGPT and AI, it cannot create a PDF for you, but it gives you all the information. All you have to do is copy and paste, so it's very easy to do. It's a holistic event design. It covers all the roles. A lot of times, other applications and resources out there, they maybe cover a couple of things, but they don't really look at it from the perspective of all the different people that may be involved with your event, especially if it's a live event. It's going to talk about the vendor and travel and book tables and all of that kind of thing if you have speakers. It's scalable for any size, so it could be a small workshop of 20 people, a 100-person virtual event, or a huge summit. It's a built-in growth loop, and so it goes beyond just the event. It really helps you to monetize your event, to keep in touch with people that have either attended or speakers or helping you in the community. Accessibility and inclusion is first, so it gives you all of your checklists. Risk and resilience ready. It's got backup plans, and a lot of times we need backup plans, and maybe we need a backup plan for the backup plan. It's going to help you do that, and it's going to then, what that does is the benefit, it gives you confidence for your team, your speakers, your attendees. You get data-driven decisions and help with that, and it's creative flexibility. You can make changes within the system, and again, it's so easy to use, and AI and human compatible. I would put it as human and AI. You are in charge. You are the one in control. This system does not control you. It totally depends on you and your ingenuity and your creativity and your input. And so I wanted to thank you for spending a few moments with me. I hope this has given you a good overview of what this system does. I will have some training videos on my YouTube channel, and I'd love to have you go there. If you have enjoyed this short video, I hope you will look at the system even closer. And as one great thing about it that anybody who purchases any of our studios, you're automatically able to join our private community Spark Lounge, where you can upload questions, feedback, ideas, images, and so forth. I'd love to see you there. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to helping you with your events in the future. Thanks. Bye.